Mama, he's here already.
Who?
Your dumpster diving friend. The dumpster diver. Guy's dumpster diving
Tell
over
him we
there.
want to be in here a while. Tell him not to pay for stuff.
See, look, he should jump in. I can't feel my legs.
Oh, that's a cute, yeah.
Mommy, walk over, doll.
I need to walk it.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey,
Ricky, I was going to get that jar, but I can't get it.
What jar?
for you. Ricky will get it.
Oh,
How'd you guys make out?
Okay.
Do you need any money?
Yeah, sure.
How about you, Ricky?
what jar do you want?
I'm going to show you.
Wants a jar. That was what he want.
You think I should get that jar?
What, you mean the candy cane? Which?
Don't hurt yourself.
I'll get the tool. I'll get the tool. Hold on.
Yeah, that's my son.
Yeah, he wants something. I just shaved.
There you go, Shady. Ricky, come here. Don't leave it. Put that $5 away.
This tool you use to get things. This scavenging tool. Thank you. All right, let's go get your thing.
Are you coming over? Well, you're not going to get money later. Put that in the car and bring it over. Here you go. I'll hold it open. I don't want that. Here.
I'll take that. All right.
How do you do that?
Is this what you want?
Yeah.
Just like that. I'm glad I showed up. There you go.
All right, now where's the lid end?
Here we go.
There's the lid.
That's what I want. Here, let me fish over here. Scooch over so I can fish it. I'll let you shoot. You got a nice place.
Put that in the car for me. Did you get your $5?
Let's see.
So I'm going to walk home.
How about that little bowl? That's kind of nice. See if you can your arms are a little bit long. See if you can just move that bowl around.
No.
Is it broken?
No.
I wouldn't worry about it.
All right, put that in the car. Put that in the car for me.
All right, do you like it?
Clean it
I
up
don't
for me.
know where that
Oh, don't worry. I'll get something for it.
Yeah, it is nice. And you can put juice in it.
Put that in the car.
Yeah, let's go.
Clean it up a little bit.
Oh.
Are you coming over later?
Yeah. About 11 o'clock. The usual.
You going to write down that I gave you and your mother $5?
Yeah, it's all good. Let's go in there.
There's a ball over
She
there.
left her mask. Where's the ball?
Right there.
Oh, that's all messed up. Looks like a cat ate it alive. It's an old baseball. Yeah. Thank you for the $5. All right, let's see if we can spend it in here.
What's she going to do with her $5?
She's gonna spend it here in the store.
I'm going to make kimbasi and sauerkraut. What else do you want?
That's fair enough.
I have extra pork.
Mm-hmm.
What's the situation with Tommy and his marriage?
Oh, forget that.
She's toothless?
I think so.
Is he going to buy her some teeth?
She could be with Joe Kelly. The Toothless Wonders.
Be careful with the weather. The cops are all over.
Joe's gonna get teeth before her, believe me.
And be careful with the weather, Ricky.
Sounds
What
good.
time are you looking at?
11. 11.
And tell your mother now.
Yep, see ya. Yeah. There's things. It's fine.
Oh, Ricky. There's stuff up there. I don't know. White things up there. I don't know if they do anything.
What?
There's things up there. They're white and red. I think there's two more.
These little guys?
No. Let me see. Turn around, man. They're up there still. Two tall things there on the right side. What are they?
Here?
That's one of them. Do they do anything?
No. Let's dismantle the snowmans.
Yeah, I don't like these.
The other one looks like a box or a bottle. You mean this one?
It's the same thing right behind him. Same thing.
I mean this guy.
Let me see him.
Then we got turned him down
I
last
don't
week.
like anything on this so far. I don't like anything so far.
We got Daddy his USA jug.
What is it?
Some type of jug that you put up.
You don't want it?
No. It's like a fountain. It's like you put a iced tea in it and you press the button and it comes
Oh,
out.
one of those. Yeah, I remember those.
Back itch.
Oh, you don't.
Are you serious? Another back itch?
Oh, yeah. Oh, God, down over the left side.
This is normally not what I do here.
Down more. The whole middle.
Oh, come on, Mommy.
Just down about it.
I thought you just got
Down?
back scrubbed last night.
Down. No, down. Yeah, there. On the left side. Yeah, you got it. You got the whole thing. I don't
How you
see-
feeling?
Great. I don't know how that works.
Here's the books, Mom. This is your favorite.
Hmm?
Daddy's USA jug and another back itch.
Did you get it? You said a candy cane? Did you say you said a candy cane down there?
Worried about a candy cane. I didn't
Down
see
in
no
the
candy
dump?
cane. No. Well, yeah. It was a cracked bowl. A cracked porcelain bowl. Oh my. Can't even look for myself. What do you want?
What's it?
The bucket for the delivery drivers. Put the candy canes in there and say help yourself. Like the inside edition people say. 75 cents for
Yeah, okay.
the
I
buckle
know.
for the buckle
Yeah, I
bucket.
like that. They better-
That's a tongue twister. A
They
buckle
better
bucket.
not steal my bucket, though.
It's not just any ordinary bucket.
It isn't. It's a Santa Claus.
It's a buckle bucket.
I see that. Okay. Let me go down this way.
Can I go look now?
Wait, yeah, you can go look. Yeah, please do. Yeah, help me out a bit.
Drawer day.
Hey, look down
I'm
in
gonna
there.
open the drawers and see what's going on.
Yeah.
Ouch.
Yeah. Look for candles, too. Candles.
Here are these replacement lights. Do you like these or nah? I would need white.
No, I don't think they work. No.
Maybe these work.
Darn person here on this side. No, I
Just
don't
when you
want
say that, 50 people will show. Oh, clap.
No.
Sorry.
Open the next drawer.
Even better.
No, open the next drawer. Let's see if there's a map.
You didn't like the Party City? You
What's that there?
didn't like all the noisemakers?
No! What's that there?
This one here?
No, on the left
Oh,
side.
Joseph?
No,
Mary?
on the left side. No, oh, bad. No.
Well, why'd you ask me what it was? Phooey.
Nothing there.
Oh, that's the emptiest I've ever seen that drawer.
Yeah, really. Look, candles.
Candles.
Candle holder.
Uh-oh, the candles are all picked clean. Yeah, it's real depleted. It's awful. This is the only candle I see. It's Mr. and Mrs. Claus.
Oh, it's small. I can't fit nothing there. What's that up there? That big guy. Does he do anything?
Kris Kringle here.
No, next to him. The left.
Oh,
The resin. No thanks.
Mrs. Claus got a weird hat
No
on.
thanks. You can go look around. You can go look around.
Season's greetings. Is this another tissue box? I don't think so. Not the right shape.
No. That's just a box that you put your, I don't know, cards or something in.
Nah.
Yeah.
The wise men follow him.
Special there. Let me look on this. Here's where I like to really look over here.
No, there's nothing. Alright, I'm going to look at my section.
Okay.
Pasta.